CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.7. Given a scenario, deploy and configure multifunction devices, printers, and settings. Printer and scanner. In this video segment, we will cover printers and scanners together as they are fairly similar. In fact, it is very often that printers and scanners come packaged together as a single unit known as a multifunction device, or MFD for short. Starting with printers, a printer is a peripheral device which makes a physical rendering of digital data, usually on paper, or creates a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, in the case of a 3D printer. Some of the most common printer types are laser printers, inkjet printers, thermal printers, impact printers, and 3D printers. While a printer outputs digital data, a scanner does the exact opposite. A scanner is a peripheral device that optically scans images or objects and converts them into digital data. The most common scanner types are flatbed scanners and sheet-fed ADS scanners. A flatbed scanner offers versatility and precision, allowing users to scan a wide range of documents, photos, and objects of varying sizes and shapes. Its flat glass surface accommodates delicate materials, books, or oddly shaped items. As a downside, each page or item needs to be manually placed on the flatbed for scanning, making it a slow process for a large volume of documents. On the other hand, the automatic document feeder of an ADF scanner streamlines the scanning process by automatically feeding multiple pages through the scanner. This feature is particularly beneficial for high-volume scanning tasks, such as digitizing lengthy contracts, reports, or stacks of paperwork. ADS scanners are designed for efficiency and convenience, allowing users to initiate the scanning process and attend to other tasks while the machine handles document feeding and scanning automatically. While ADS scanners excel in speed and efficiency for standard-sized documents, they may lack the versatility required for scanning delicate or oversized materials that a flatbed scanner can accommodate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.